Hey guys, welcome back to the channel everyone, what's going on everybody, and today in this video we are going to review the Boat 1550 soundbar. This soundbar costed me around 4500 rupees. I have checked this soundbar in offline retail stores and they said that it is around 7999 to 8999 based on where you buy, and I got this on Flipkart due to offer. It was 4999, but using the HDFC card I got a discount of around 500, so actually it costed me around 4500 rupees. So let's get the review started, and in this video we are not going to do the unboxing because the unboxing was previously done by the Flipkart installation team, and at that time I was not able to make a video. So in this video we are going to review the sound output of the soundbar, and it is 120 watts output, the 60 watt from the bar and 60 watt from the subwoofer. And one thing to notice guys, in the 160 watt variant you are going to get the wireless soundbar, and with this 120 watt you are going to get the wired soundbar. That is, a wire from the subwoofer is being connected to the soundbar in order to have the woofer output. So let's get the video started. On the backside of the subwoofer, you get multiple input ports like aux input, optical input, the HDMI ARC input, and also there is a point for connection of the wired subwoofer. There are multiple connectivity options like USB, aux input, Bluetooth, along with optical input and HDMI cable, and also the aux cable is supported. Now I'm going to play these songs using the Bluetooth mode. And now I'm going to connect the soundbar to my phone. As you can see that the device name is boat Avante 1550 and it is connected now. Let's play it now. The maximum volume is 35 and it goes crazily high as of 25 to 30. One thing to notice is that the bass is very punchy.
The monsters in my head are scared of love. Finding people, listen up. It's never I'm still your light. Don't let them break your strong. There's nothing on the other side. You'll see all the raindrops falling. It's a revolution. It's horrible.
Twerk it, baby.
Can you see it?
Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing such more videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Hope to see you in the next video soon. Thank you so much.